My name is Emilia, and this is week 5 of my open case study. So in this case study, I am treating my client with stretch marks on his back. So we're going to be talking about stretch marks, what they are, and how to treat them. Stretch marks are essentially scars that are created by the rapid stretching of underlying connective tissue. Stretch marks can form from a lot of different scenarios, but in my client's case, it is most likely, since he's had them for so long, from the hormonal changes from puberty and the dramatic growth condition. I cannot remove stretch marks. Unfortunately, that is not something that I'm able to do, and I was very transparent with my client about this, that they will not just disappear, but there are things that we can do to make them look better. So what we're doing is an exfoliation and collagen building routine, where as we build collagen and rapidly renew the cells, we are wanting to exfoliate and get rid of anything that we don't need. So in this case study, I am microchanneling to help build collagen, and also we do it over peptides and restorative serums to help the appearance of it. We're using different brightening ingredients as well to help reduce the discoloration, and the end goal is not to get rid of stretch marks. I cannot put the skin back together and just magically make these scars disappear, but what we can do is reduce the appearance of them so that my client feels more comfortable in his skin, and that's really what we want as estheticians. So unfortunately, stretch marks aren't a thing that we can really prevent in scenarios like this, but there are definitely things that we can do to treat them. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.